Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about LED floodlight replacements for a 500 watt metal halide, and actually also a 750 watt metal halide replacement. This is our IMF, our industrial modular floodlight. For your 500 watt, our 200 watt at 26,000 lumens will kill it all day long. It may even get some of the 750s, depending on, it could be equivalent based on how long you've had them. But for the 750s, we do have our 400 watt version that puts out 52,000 lumens. Will give you a lot more light than you currently have. They can come in 100 277. They're also available in 480. We stock the 100 277s. There's a visor available for them. There's a pole mount adapter that's also available if you have a 10-in you want to put them on. But they're great for lighting up fields and other industrial applications where you want to get a lot of light out in an area, whether it's a work area or a play area. So give one of our techs a call. They can talk you through what your requirements are, recommend the right light. We can even do a lighting plan if it's needed. So have yourself a great day, and talk to you later.